Hi, we're going to do a professional cleanse, or it is something you can equally do at home. It's important to do this so that if you want your makeup to be applied really nicely, or any moisturizer that you're going to be putting on throughout the day, we need to start by taking off any dirt or debris that's present, and then that will make everything work and function much better. So when we're cleansing, try to remember to do it in an upward movement, like so. If you do this, you're kind of dragging the skin down, so try if you can at all to bring all your movements upwards. So cleansing is kind of a rapid movement, making sure that you cover all the areas of the face. Nice rhythm and nice pressure. Make sure you maintain both hands and contact all the time, because if one hand is here not doing anything, your client, it just doesn't feel very right. So make sure that both hands are engaged with the client. When you're going over the lip, make sure that you don't come on the lip, you know, that it's not awkward or feels uncomfortable. Up onto the nose area, we generally don't put heavy pressure, so we use our ring finger, which is quite light and doesn't create a lot of pressure. Again, very comfortable for your client. Depending on if you have makeup on, will depend on how often you would have to cleanse, or how many times, should I say rather. But our client today has got beautifully kept skin, so we're just removing any debris that may be on there. It's important to do this, to do your cleansing once, at least in the morning, and also at the end of the day. It is very important to do this before you put on your night creams. When you apply it, you have to remove properly also. If you don't do it properly, then you're going to leave residue, and again, your products will not function as well as they should if you've got any barrier or any of your cleanser left. So please make sure that you remove this really well. If there was any debris left on your sponges, please just go back, redo again 2 to 3 times until everything's nice and clear and skin feels nice.